A varsity scholarship opened the first door,
so I started something new.
I wanted to study massage therapy, but finances were a real barrier. It was a varsity scholarship that kickstarted my journey. As an athlete, I assumed I would go into sports massage. Getting the opportunity to treat members of the Hamilton Tiger Cats was amazing, but my program pushed me into new territories, like stroke rehab. I learned how to build a treatment plan with the person, not just for the patient. But most importantly, I learned to say yes to new opportunities, and then I'm capable of more than I realized. I'm using our clinical outreaches as a way to try new things. My decision to come to Mohawk College has been life-changing. It gave me the skills and connections to create the future I want.
This is hard work, but every day I'm moving forward, and what I'm building is mine.
So what are you building?